As mentioned, Mother Nature tried everything she could to put a damper on the Orange Peel 99, but even lightning, thunder, and torrential rain couldn't completely spoil the evening. A record crowd of 25,000 braved the elements to make this year's event another success. If you weren't on hand, here's a look at what you missed on this week's 2-minute drill brought to you by the American Residential Group.
Joining the Tiger are your OSU football team captains and the former Big 12 Coach of the Year, your Cowboy head football coach, Bob Simmons. Please direct your attention to Section N of the North Stands and give a welcome to the 1999 OSU Cowboy football team.
That thunder that you hear in the sky, it's the thunder of the Cowboy hooves, that Cowboy team coming to Lewis Field tomorrow. That lightning that you see, that lightning that you experience is the power of orange. We thank you for your support. We want to see a sea of orange tomorrow, just like last week, all in orange, all in Lewis Field for victory tomorrow.
Ladies and gentlemen, would you please direct your attention to the East End Zone and give a Cowboy greeting for the two most valuable players of this university, Mr. and Mrs. James Halligan.
The best is yet to come for Oklahoma State because we had the best students in Oklahoma. Thank you very much. We're pleased to be part of Oklahoma State.
What's up, Oklahoma State University?
Come on.
What's up? How y'all doing? Yeah. I just want to say, I have never performed in a thunderstorm before. And I'm glad I was able to come to Oklahoma to experience my first thunderstorm show. But right now, I'm kind of worried about my life. But I feel like Diana Ross in the HBO special. Okay, they just given me the signal that I might want to stop the show because of lightning and tornadoes and thunder and a possible death situation with a comedian. But I'm going to tell you something. I will never forget for the rest of my life, 1999, the Orange Peel in Stillwater, Oklahoma.